Instantly is one of the best cold emailing software in the world. They make cold email at scale accessible to the masses. In this video, you'll learn how the native integration with Instantly works. Alright, so the first thing you're gonna do is that you're gonna go to settings in Breakcold and then you're gonna click on the app stores. From there, you're gonna type Instantly, you're gonna click here and you're gonna click on install. It will ask you for your API key, so you will have to go to Instantly. Then once you are in Instantly, you go to your settings, then you go to integrations and you click on API keys. Then you click on create API key. So I'm going to call it tests and I'm going to click on create. Then you have your API key. I'm going to copy it and I'm going to put it inside Instantly. Validate and save key. So now it's pretty much activated. You can use the Instantly integration. So how it works. So let's do an example together. So there's a couple of functions on how you can do this. So the first thing you can do is that you can automatically push people in the CRM inside an Instantly campaign. So if I click on activate, I'm going to have like different options here. And for example, we can say, okay, when someone in the onboarding service list goes from this stage, like we're gonna automatically put them into this specific campaign. So essentially, when a lead enters the onboarding service list and this lead goes into like message email sent manually, like we want to say, okay, now push this person in an automatic campaign instantly. And then you have a couple of different options, as you can see. So here I'm just going to click like skip if it's already in the workspace, skip if it's already in the campaign. You can pretty much like select everything about it. So I'm just going to click on save configuration, and then I'm going to go to the pipeline. And so normally, like when I'm going to move like Oliver to message email, like it will push me the person to the campaign. So right now I am inside Instantly. I have this test campaign with leads here. And so if I just drag and drop the person, like automatically, if I refresh the page, I should have like Oliver in the campaign. So let's see. And yeah, we have, well, okay, I got an ad, but essentially we have the contact, as you can see right now. So we can directly know like the email address, the email provider, etc. So this is a way to push leads automatically inside a campaign. It's pretty fairly easy to do. The second way in how you can push leads to a campaign is when you are inside a list or when you are inside a lead, you can always click on the three dots here and you can push leads to instantly directly to an instantly campaign. So for example here, let's say I just want to push let's say I want to push all the people there in the campaign. So I can just click on push to instantly, and then I'm going to select the campaign, which is the test campaign here. I will not like take all of these boxes. I'm just going to click on submit, and normally it will push me all the leads that have an email. So you see it says email is required when creating a lead. So here it doesn't work because some of the prospects there, like they don't have an email address. So like I think by the time you're going to watch this video, we'll do like a bypass system where it can push the leads anyway and just keep the leads who don't have an email. But in that case, it will only work if all your leads have an email address. So you need to make sure that they have an email address. So if we go, for example, let's say to Marco. So Marco, he has an email address. So it's the same system. So I'm just going to click on the three dots and I'm going to click on push to instantly. Then I'm like select a campaign and I'm going to click on submit. And so this time it will work. We go back to instantly, and within a couple of seconds, or if I refresh the page, like we should have the lead inside instantly. Yes, we have. So that's pretty much how it works. The integration, you can use that. Also, like when you're inside the list, you can just filter the list with only a specific status or tags so that you can only push some leads in a campaign. And again, like by the time you're going to watch this video, if some of the leads you don't have emails on them, we're just going to do a way for you to just push the ones who don't have an email, or otherwise you can just click on has an email, then it's going to show you all the leads that have an email. And so in that case, you can just push them to instantly. So here we're going to do it like together, and I'm going to click on submit, and it pushed all the leads who have an email. Here there's no problem because they have an email, right? So now if I go back to instantly and I refresh the page, or I wait a couple of seconds, yeah, let's refresh the page. Boom, we have all the leads and they are still processed by instantly. So this is how the instantly integration works. If you want to push leads from instantly to Breakcold, you're going to have to do it with Zapier. So usually you're going to have to use the webhook feature of instantly, and from there you're going to, like, the first step in Zapier or make is like webhook, catch webhook. So when a lead is updated and instantly, so usually when the lead is marked as interested, it's going to trigger webhook in Zapier. That is step one. And then step two is create or update lead inside Breakcold. So it's fairly easy to do. I will link like a tutorial on how to do it. I will probably do it with like instantly or like smart lead, but it works with all the tools out there. Thank you very much for watching this video. Cheers. Bye.